VLOOKUP. Using VLOOKUP is simpler than you think. So let's select the year. We want to know the year of the album that we select. For that, we can use VLOOKUP. To use VLOOKUP, go here to insert a function. Select that, and in the search for a function, type VLOOK, and then it will find you a closest function. Then click on OK. Now it gives you a form to fill in. First thing it's asking is for what value you're looking for. I'm looking for a value of album, and then it asks me to define a table. I would say my table is this by selecting it. So you select the range to define the table. Then it would ask you the column index. So when we selected this table, this is considered as column 1, 2, and 3. So we are looking for year, which is in column 2. Hence, you need to type in 2. Then it would ask you whether you want an exact match or an approximate value. I suggest you to always go with an exact match because there would be a less risk for errors. To do that, just type in false. And once you're happy, just click OK. So at the moment, it says I couldn't find any value because we didn't select the album. So here we come and select any album, and now it tells us the year. So these days and the year 1995. So another way to use the VLOOKUP is to type in equal, type VLOOKUP, then again asks you for the value, put a comma, define the table, put a comma, type the index, which is 3 in this example, and then put false, press tab, and then press enter. So it gives you the value of the album and the year. So if you change it to another album, it gives you the year and the value. In the same way, you could also use edge lookup.